Hello everyone. Today I will show you MariaDB. What is MariaDB? MariaDB database. So what is MariaDB? It is, you can say, it is the database which is designed with the Linux operating system. You can say 7.0. So it is like SQL, structured programming language, structured query language. It is like database with 7.0. So you can say make the database with Linux operating system, right? So now first of all, what we have to perform, install yum-y install MariaDB asterisk. Oh, actually here already we have installed, so I will show you from you can say I will show you from start, so please wait, it will take some time, we will revert, then I will show you from beginning. Here guys, what we have to perform, first of all install the package yum spacebar -y install MariaDB asterisk. So it will install all those packages which is related to MariaDB. Approx 27 packages will come which is related to the MariaDB. So we will use, you can say we can use all those features which is related to the MariaDB. So definitely will take some time. There are 27 packages approx. At the time, see, in the 27 package will take some time. So approx 11 package has been installed. So see this, these are the package which is related to the MariaDB, taking some time. Here 26 package has been installed and total number of packages is 27. Okay, so we have done one command, that is installation. Then after, do one thing, systemctl start MariaDB. We have to start this database, and also ATUS status you can check is running, no problem. Okay, after that fireball cmd permanent add service MySQL, and then after fireball cmd reload. MariaDB there is no any package, only we have to install MySQL, right? Okay, so Here perform one thing, that is my SQL underscore secure installation. So it will ask the message. Here just press enter. Set root password, yes, redhat, red hat, redhat, red hat. Now remaining, remove by default, disallow, remove test databases, reload, that's okay. Thanks for using MariaDB, right? If you want to log in, then we have to perform one command, that is my SQL-u root -p redhat, red hat. See, this is the databases. You can run here one command, so databases. Now by default we have this databases along with the operating system. If you want to create any database, create database, suppose inventory, database name is inventory. Now access the inventory, use inventory, database has been changed, right? Also use, if you want to check, use MySQL. Also you can choose MySQL, and so tables here, these are the default information, right? So you can check this table via this command, right? Okay. DESCRIB, describe servers. So it will show you information about the servers. See this, about the product, DESCRIB, describe product. So it will show you. So actually it's not like this, describe servers. So it will show you information about the server, whatever the server, socket number, wrapper, right? So all those. Okay, so now this is, you can see, intro of MariaDB. You can create the table, you can manage the table. Thank you so much. Have a good day.